going to rotate it around. I'm just going to continue testing the pump. I will have to the fuck are we going to do this? How are we? I think we were doing 16. I think we did 16. I don't remember. I don't know if I can. Oh, why would I be able to look it back? Fuck me. Whatever. So I'm just going to test the pump if it works or not. Pump slow. 16. Fuel valves are open, connected. So this is the power, right? This is ground, all right. And this is right. We have something. I don't know. There is like a little kink in the wire for some reason, or in the pipe. Did my I mean, the fucking 4, 4.2, 4.6, 4. This is a fucking joke. The 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 scales fucking screen died. Half of the fucking lost. Well, 4, 5. Oh, fucking great, man. It's just a fucking joke. Will this fucking die completely, or what the fuck what should I expect? Because last time this was fucking working. What the fuck did I expect, man? Like, what? I'm honestly just... What the fuck? Like, what? This shit is kinky as well. Fuck the whole thing, man. I'm just fucking pissed off. Pump off. Fuck you. I'm just fucking... I just wanna yell a fucking big... What? Like... What the actual fuck is this? Like... This was working nicely. Like, what the fuck happened from last time? Like... I've... more true than this. Like, is this a fucking, like, a big fucking fat ass shit goddamn fucked up the whole thing? Why the fuck is this bitch standing this fucking bitch? And the other good fact, how fucking lovely is that? I'm just honestly just pissed as fuck to see this shit. Whatever. Semmi nem működik, ennek a utolsó számlapján, a utolsó fél számot látok csak.
Nem mindek hibás?
Mi? Brownout detection, hát ez remek. Még ez is. Nem hal meg az egész számítógép és a laptop nem sortol le, vagy nem tudom, nem baszódik még el valami ezen kívül, nem kúródik minden szét. De hogy nem, ez kibaszik ez velem direkt. Na, ezt meg fog lenni, föl is borul ez a lakás, útvar. Ilyencséget nem tudom. This is just not it. Ez a mai nap, ez csak egyszerűen nem az az ilyen. The problem is that this is like weeks. What a fucking joke. Not even the internet is not even the internet is running it. Like, is this a fucking joke? Can this be fun? I mean, no, I'm just not even going to call for it because it can always fucking be. It can always be worse. Oh. Alright, shut the fuck up, little bitch ass. Alright, put this here back where it belongs to, a bit more. Let's measure the temperature. Alright. Hope this, I mean, why the fuck wouldn't it fucking fall in? No, bitch ass. God damn it. I'm not going to bother, I'm just going to hold it in. 4.5 Celsius. Alright, 4.5, fuck you. I'm just going to call you. And I'm just going to call this 4.5 from now on today. Well, I'm a bit concerned that if the internet is not fucking running this, but honestly, no. Alright, so I'm just going to test this shit. Very well. Half of the, I just only see an L instead of a 0. Great. Just the diesel, I guess, fucking somehow got into this shit plastic fuck. Yeah, I should have fucking vibed it. What a garbage. Oh great, I can't even see the last number. If I... Only problem is that... Like... what a shit. Honestly, what a fucking joke this is. Okay, just turn on then, you fucking retard little bitch. You know what? I'm thinking that maybe I will not. Should I only look at milliliters? Milliliter is kinda like a gram. So I mean, if I read it correctly, it should be within a gram. I mean, but that then the scale is better that way. How much is in this? I mean, a good amount for now. Does this want a tip? No, it doesn't want a tip. Alright, good. So, then the question remains. Oh, wait. Should not move this. Alright, So let's begin testing this bitch. I mean, all right, all right, all right. Not to turn the power off. I don't need this. I will test the test 15. You know what? I will test 15 and 16 again, and then 17, 18. Really good. All right, leave it. This is plenty. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to go over. I mean, at least this is a good test or a good day to test that fact that the viscosity of diesel and every single liquid and everything changes with temperature because viscosity is a function of temperature. And we will be able to see, oh, very great, I don't know, for some reason, it's either got, is this stuck together? Like, understand this. This, which I used, is not, this is not a kink, this is actually just getting the whole thing, like, it wants to stuck together, or stick together, basically. This is not good. Not good news. No. Not too good. Whatever. Alright. We'll leave that there. And do a 15%. So let's test it. Hopefully it will get the same or some similar results as last time. This is so fucking annoying that it doesn't count the fucking... Alright. Let's boot him up. Send the power, send the signal. Blue vessel start. It's pumping the fuel back here. Is this coming in? Right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so we should. Here's my phone. We get the little sound effect of fuel pumping. Let's go to clock, timer, and let's see. 3, 2, 1, and go. Right. 1.345. It's getting there pretty fast. 3 grams, 4 grams, 5 grams, 6, 4, 7. 16 minutes to set this bitch up. Just hope the internet is not going to fuck with us too much. 30 and 11.8. So at 30 seconds, 11.8 grams. At 15, at 4.5 degrees Celsius. So yeah, we have multiple temperatures for the calibration curve. Alright. So we are at 50, 24.2 at 1 minute. So I'm actually testing out the fuel carrying capability of the pump, meaning that I will plot a curve based on the values that I get now. We will get to half a minute in like 36.4 at 1.5. We will get the 2 and 2.5, maybe 3 as well. I don't know. Oh yeah, I think we can get the 3. We will have to compare it with the previous ROM at least, and then we'll do a 30% one as well. And 47.8 at 2 minutes. Two and a half and 49.5. 59.5, sorry. At 2 minutes 30 seconds. Now here comes the 3-minute one, which is going to be and 70.8 grams. Right, that's it for today, and not for today, for this. Alright, pump off. Okay, set this to PS. Let's go with the 30. Maybe, I don't know. We have 75 grams of this bitch. Then, no. 30% is gonna fucking pump the whole thing out pretty quickly. So I'm just going to refill it. Alright, and put this here. Put this here, please don't fall over. Alright. Okay. This is just pretty annoying that this... Yeah, this is why you use fixed pipes, not these fucking little bitch flexible hoses, because these are like dog shit. As well as they stuck together for some reason. I think this plastic tube is not fuel resistant at all, and I think that the hose is getting eaten by the fuel. So you can see that this is not straight at all. And it is like, it has this, I don't know what in it. Maybe I'm just going to cut that piece off of that. Cut that off. Cut that bitch off. Oh, fucking bitch. Is this... Of course there is fuel in it. Yeah. The fuel flows back. I didn't think about that. Alright. Cut the damn pipe, fucking little retard. Is this a fucking joke? I can't cut this. Alright, fuck you then. Fuck you. This took more effort than it's supposed to. It looks like, yes, it's eating up the pipe. I will have to um, I will have to get some new pipes. This goes on so easily. Right. Put the other pipe here. Right. Other pipe in here. Fuck off. Alright. Take this. Okay. I will empty the whole bitch out. Put him on there. Take this as well. Take things in my hand. I think last time this shit was a bit more out. But then this is so annoying. Put all the these are back to where it belongs to, into the tank. Put the pipey onto the flask. Get this off of here. Of course not coming off. Of course it's not coming off. We'll go there. And this maybe supposed to be a bit harder to push on. I'm a bit concerned. Alright, we have that. We have everybody ready. Nice cock. I will now take my phone, set this bitch to 30 and start pumping. Okay. Boom. Yeah, this 30 will put us into the yeah, this is pretty a lot. At 30, 43.6. Let's see. I will only measure up to like let's say 1.5 minutes or maybe 2 minutes to just see how much it produces. And it's supposed to 2 minutes. Boom, and 82, 83, exactly 83 at 1 minute. Yeah, I will only measure to like what is this, 130, because it's going to run out of buffer. So at 130 we have dun 2 more sets. 121.2 or something like that. Maybe we can approach 2 minutes. I mean, if it is like, we'll see if the scale can handle it. I think it can. Alright, please. Okay, boom. 156.4. 156.4 at 2 minutes. Alright. 4.5 degrees Celsius and 30% duty cycle. Alright, that's good. At least we now know that 30% of fuel is a lot. I mean, a pump duty cycle percentage, whatever. It's a lot. It's a lot. I mean, fucking, we have 42 kilojoules of power. So 42, uh, that's 42,000 watts, 42 kilowatts of heating power, thermal energy stored inside 1 gram of fuel. So when we pump in 36, that's 120, right? Wait a minute. So let's say 30, that's 40. Let's simplify. So we go with 40, 40 times 42. That's 1,600 minus 4. 4 point, that's 16. So it's 1,384 or something kilojoules of power, which is 1 megawatts of power. That's a lot. That's a lot. 1 megawatts of heating power in fucking one minute. Okay, it's not 1 second, but it is still 1 minute. So if you divide that by 60, then we get the fuel flow per minute, per second, which would give us the 36 by 60. That's 0.6 grams per second. All right. So we have the power, we have the 30, we did the 15 as well. Now we are going to do the 16. So I'm just going to go back to 16. PS 16, and then go 18, 20, and so on. Or should I will go 16, 17, 18, 16, 17, 18, okay. Right, turn him on, turn this guy on. Oh, almost. Alright, reasoning, great. Alright, we boot it up, okay. Yeah, I'm a bit confused, but two of the numbers are fucking missing. So 13.4 at half minute. Let's see. This is 16% by the way. Yeah, because it's supposed to have 2 more numbers. Okay. So 57, 8, 9, and 26.4 at 1 minute, which is still a lot. That's almost a quarter grams per minute, or 0.3 grams, sorry. So 1 minute 30-ish coming up, which will be boom 38.5. A bit ish about the readings, cause I can't see the fucking how do you say this, fractional numbers. I only can see the first, and I'm not sure about that either, because it can be a 5, it can be 8, I have no fucking clue. Or 5, sorry. Yeah, 5 is okay. 51.2, let's say. I have no fucking clue. It's like changing up so quick that I can't even tell. I will go till like 3 minutes, 3 seconds, or 3 minutes, sorry, because we are only getting like 60. So let's say 2 230 coming up. Boom. 63.4. I have seen that. Okay. We will go till like right till like 3, and then I think I can do the next one, the 17 as well, if I'm correct. Alright. 9 and boom. 75.4. It was right off. Then set this bitch to 17. Alright. We can start 78, which leaves us with 100 grams of leeway, which we can utilize here. Okay, stop this. Right, start. Listen, there's drizzling, right? Oopsie. Fuck off. Okay. I'm hoping that we can do at least. I think we can do at least like 2.5 minutes. I think we can do that. Okay. Boom, boom. 12.8 at 30 seconds, or at least I think so. Yeah, can't tell the difference between 8 and 9. Boom, 24.8, let's say. That would be so much. I would appreciate so much if I could see the numbers better. 4, 8, 2, 4, 6. I can't tell the difference between a 6 and a fucking other thing, whatever. 29.8, 36.8 at 1.5 minutes. We have 90-ish grams of leeway, so we have 47.8. Let's say, I have no clue. Fuck, missed that one. At 2 minutes, or let's say 47.8. It was something around that. Uh, 58.4 at 2.5 minutes. I will be able to measure till like 3 minutes. Good. Alright. Boom. 68.8 at 3 minutes. Right, that's it for this setting. Off. We will go to 18. Fuck off, turn off. Alright, we will wait till this drips out. We will go to 18, then from 18 we will go to 20. We, no, 22, 24, we will jump up with 2% increments. We will step up with 2% increments, and then we will go inside and have a plotting. I mean, I will first watch the videos back, write down the numbers, then I will plot them out with the I don't know, maybe Excel, but I think I will do MATLAB. I will use MATLAB, and then we will be able to use it for some good useful things. Okay. Yeah, we will have to do this a few more times this day. I'm not going to fuck around too much. I'm not going to wipe the fuel on this bullshit. I'm gonna be quick. I'm gonna do this as fast as possible. I don't have that much time. Okay, 17. We will go to 18 now. I will take this. I will start the guy. Nothing, but right. Oh, it's turned off. Okay. I mean, like, what the? Yeah, that's fine. All right. Listen for me. Okay. Boom. Now let's bang this out. So this is the 18, and we are running. I think this will go a bit less. Like, maybe we can do 19 with this as well. I don't know. I'm not sure. I might only go for like. I mean, 4 numbers is better than 3. Let's see. $20.8 at 30 seconds. I really hope that the audio will be fine. Looking back, so I don't have to redo the whole thing. Yeah, that should. Yeah, might. I'm not seeing the other number again. Boom. 36.8 at 1 minute. This is 18% duty. Interesting. 130. Boom. 52.9. Two minutes. 68.6, I guess. I don't know. $84 exactly at 2.3, or 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Boom, 99.2 at 3 minutes. Alright, we got 103.2 grams in. Okay, this was 18. We will do a 20 test now. I am curious if I'm curious if I could do I'm curious if because this is what is this? 3 minutes, so that's total of 6 measurements, and if I can shrink this down to 2 minutes, because that will give us 4, which is, I mean, still better than 1 or 2 or 3. Maybe it's not going to be enough. 18, 12, so we have 1.5, almost 2 hours to go. I need to be inside. I'm gonna finish this shit as fast as possible. I will take a piss now and come back in 2 minutes. So, what's talking? The shit that's Okay, so we are back. Now that I was thinking, I think I can do actually a 2.5 minute test. I think I have like 103 grams in it, so that's gonna give us 2 minutes. It was 36 per minute, I think. 70. Uh, I will refill it, I don't care. I will then be able to test more. Whatever, then I'm going to do a lot of refills then. Or just going to do the 2.5 minute tests anyways, or 2 minutes, and then we will have more headroom. More of a headroom for all the other because if I do all of them at that percentage, then or is it what at that time frame, then we will be able to put more in, or at least have more rounds. We will have to test though. I'm not sure how much I can run, but with this I hope that we can run like let's see, so 20 power on, power is on, 20, alright, slow start is on, coming up, fuel is going back, should drizzle now. Hello? Is doing it? Alright. Boom, 21.8 at 30 seconds. So that's like 42-ish or something like that at 1 minute. Boom, 39.4 or 6, let's say, at 1 minute. Doom 57.8. I always say this 8. I don't know what the last number is. I never know. Whatever. At 1 minute 30 seconds. I think even with the like the whole numbers, we would be good enough. 2 minutes. Boom, 75.5. I will do a I will do a 2.5 minutes with this one, and then going to step it down. Boom, 92.7 with the 2.5 mark. Alright, turn this bitch off. Okay, we have 96 grams. meaning that we will need to do a two minute session for the next one, or just have to empty all the fucking. We'll do a 2 minute for the next one. I don't care. I always have to refill this. I mean, how many is that? I think uh, this was 20, so we have 8. That's like four more. 4 more or something. So I think we can redo this. Like I can refill this. I don't know, or I don't care. I mean, I will sacrifice this little bit of time for the sake of more accuracy and more measurement points. I don't mind that. It's not that big of a price to pay. Right. Plug the other one back on. So let's go with the 22. Again. Right. All right. 22. This is the classic example of when you wipe your hand with the diesel towel and it got more diesel E after the fucking wipe than it was before. 22%. Starting. Fuel is going up. Nice and steady. Alright. Boom. Alright, that's it. 22%. I will only do a whatever I will do a 3. Did I? $21.8 at 30. But so was the one before this. Or it was something similar. We will see with the whole minute. Yeah, this is more. 42.8 at 1 minute. So yeah, definitely more. $63.4 at 1.5 minutes. I don't care. I think I will do to like 2.5. 3 is just too much. I don't care that much. Boom. 83.4 at 2 minutes. $108 grams. 100.8 at 2.5. Two and a half minutes. 100.8 grams. at 3 minutes. Boom, boom, 17.8. 117.8 grams. Alright, off. So this was 22% if I'm correct, which is pretty good. Okay. We'll refill this, empty it out. 117 grams at 3 minutes. This doesn't seem too much, but in reality this is a lot. This is a lot. 118 grams. 3 minutes. 500. I think we would be able to run the whole thing dry in like 10, 15 minutes or so if we ran the oil gun at this rate of fire. Which wouldn't be too good. I mean, this is why I will implement the level sensor to see how much fuel we have in the tank. That will be really good, and I probably will have to redo this test then. But an initial test for this is pretty good. Alright, we have this. We have the 22, going to go to 24% now. Going to go to 2 more, so 24, 26 and 28, and then that's it for today. Cool, quite good. Alright, 24, here we go. Alright. Spacing. Bam. And we are rolling. Vase spinning. Spinning it up. Hands is squeezing. Approaching 30 seconds. And boom, 24.8. This is going to be a bit more aggressive, 24%, approaching in 1 minute in 10 seconds. 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, and now 47.2. 47.2 at 1 minute. That's aggressive. I think I will only go to like 2 minutes with this. I don't really need these data. These are like too much anyways. Like 1.5 minutes, and we are almost at 70. 1.5 minutes, and boom, 69.2. So in 1.5 minutes, it's 69.2 grams. That's like ridiculous. I mean, we have a jet engine at the faculty, but man, that burns like even a bit more than that probably per minute. Boom, 88.2 at 2 minutes. So I will call it, let's go with the 2.5 minutes. I have a bit more time. Let's map this out a bit more. Clearly I will have to refill it, I mean it's kind of a cheap ass survey here. So 2 minutes and 30, boom, 107 and 2 grams. So 107.2 grams at 230. Okay, turn this guy off. Alright. Turn the power off. Turn this guy off. Alright. I mean, again, this is the stuff that most people do not are willing. I mean, they even are willing not to. I mean, this is pretty shit in terms of grammar, but you get the point that they are not willing to fucking even watch this video, not even to do the fucking test itself, because it's so fucking boring. And I mean, I, I kind of don't blame them for it, because they have better things to do, or I mean, not better, but like higher pleasure things to do per given amount of time. And if I allowed myself to fucking watch porn and jack off or watch videos in terms of like brain rot or these entertainment fucking shit videos rather than do the work itself, then I would do that if I knew that. I mean, honestly, it's not even just I don't allow myself because I just realized that it's not good for you. It's just not it. It's just having pleasure is not greater than having fulfillment, and fulfillment comes from work, even if it is boring and even if it is hard. I mean, it comes from that. Fulfillment comes from work that is hard, because the easy is just boring, and I mean sometimes you have to do the boring work as well, or maybe even like you always need to do the boring work because that gives the foundations are always boring, but they basically therefore the foundations, and if you don't do them, then you will not be able to build on anything, because you cannot build a castle onto sand, right? Can you? 26 seconds or a percentage PWM. Right, started. Give it off. Give it power first. I always forget. Then slow. Alright, spinning up. Started pissing. Down. Right. Weight is spinning. We are almost on clock. I think we are missing like half a gram or something per second, so it's pretty. It's on the clock. This is going to be. Yeah. It's 3 now. So 30 seconds and 26.8. That's it. So that's almost a gram per second. This is almost a gram per second. That's a bit crazy, isn't it? Boom, boom, 53.8, or let's say 53.5 for the sake of clarity. At 1 minute. 53. What is this? 26% PWM. Serious. 79.5-ish it was at 1:30. Didn't see the last number. I'm just running a pump and measuring out fuel. I mean, that's how interesting it is. Approaching 2 minutes. Oh, 105 and 5. I mean, I'm going to run with the 5 because I can't deviate too much from that. Alright, at 2 minutes. Two minutes and 30 seconds, approaching. Boo, 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 and boo. 130 and 8. I'm gonna cut him off here, I don't care. Alright, turn him off. set the 28. Alright. 28. I will do a 40 as well. I will do a 40 as well just to see how much it does actually change from 30 to 40. But that's going to be pretty significant. One. Alright. Alright. This shit is slipping out of my hand. Not good. Alright. Whoop. Fuel is out. Alright. Quick sump. Fuel sump refilled. Alright. Put in the tubing. Let's go. Set the 28. I will do a 40 as well to check my thingy. So I will do a 28 now and then a 40. And then we call it good enough for today. Boom. Good. Let's see it pissing. Alright. Boom. We are at an hour and 10 minutes. I have done, I think, like 2 hours last time for measuring out these different values. Yeah, I have fiddled around a bit more than. Seems we are even ahead of clock. At 30 seconds we are at 31.8. Interesting. I mean, to most people, no, it's not, but I'm not aiming for that. So for this we are at almost a minute and boom, 63.4. Still ahead of clock. I will do till like 2 minutes. Yeah, then we would be at like so maybe we can do it 2.5 minutes. We're approaching 1.5 minutes in 8 seconds. Boom, 99.8 or 90 fuck 94.8 94.8 93.8. I think 93.8 it was. I'm not sure. Fuck. Yeah, 93 I think, because I missed it with the 8. Yeah. Or 9, whatever. Almost 2. Which is 124.6. Now that is quite accurate. I sometimes fucking switch up the numbers. Dyslexic or some bullshit, I don't know. I really hope not. I'm just tired maybe. We are approaching 2.5 minutes. Boom, 154.8 and turn off. 154.8. Alright, turn the power off. Let's go to 40 we will fill this bitch up pretty quick. I think we will save ourselves a half a minute here, so I would probably think we will be only able to do, even now, 2.5 minutes did 159 grams of fuel. This is 28 fucking percent. I mean, this is just a little shitty windshield Viper motor. How fucking cool is that? Like, I mean, probably most people wouldn't get like, and 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 bro, this is sick. I mean, I fucked up because I should have put the other line there first. I mean, I can still do this. Slow is fast and hard is the easy, because I don't want to do this again, so I don't wanna knock it off over, because it will like flow out. Blood, push all the air bubbles out. My guy. Clean up the dude. I think we will be only able to do 2 minutes, maybe not even that. We will see. We will see. Maybe I'm going to be pleasantly surprised that 40% will fucking push us to this, to the sky, meaning that it will push like, I don't know, 40. No, 40. We did 40, I think. Did we? Yeah, we did 40. We did even 60. So I think that maybe 20. I don't know if it linearly scales from 20. At 20, I think we did like 21 grams or something like that per minute, which was a bit too. Yes, stop this. Giving power. We have the this. We put it back to here, because it will be a lot of volume. Let's see it. Is it flowing? Oh yeah. It's so fucking high overflow that I can't even hear it pissing, because it is not pissing, it's just splashing it all on the wall. Bruh. We are at 60 now and all this 20 seconds. I can't even do 1 minute, man. 94, fuck me, under. I will have to turn this bitch off. 95 grams per fucking half a second, half a minute, 95. What the fuck is this? Yeah, 40% is a bit more than I think I have expected. Yeah, 40% is a lot, actually. So I will maybe, I don't know, maybe it just is better to look at the way and say that, I don't know, we are at, you know what, I have an idea. Let's go, let's do that. So I am just going to, because I can measure the time on my phone and I can put like flags on there, and if I press the button, then let's say I can map it out. So I don't know, if we are at 25 grams, then I put the flag, then we are 50 flag, 75 flag, or maybe 50. 25 is good, I think. Maybe I'm not sure how much, but probably we. Okay, this is done. Okay, I need this. I need to take this off. So basically, this is just so fucking fast that I can't even like read the numbers anymore. I will have to fucking use the flagging. I think that's better. We will have to recalc it a bit, but I will flag it up and then tell you the numbers at the end. And I have them all. Because it's just so fucking fast. I mean, I could probably do it pretty well um, with the lower numbers. Like 28 was still fine. I could like read the exact gram, but this was so fucking fast that I can't even track the grams. I mean, even grams is just still lower than probably like tens of grams. And like the decimals moved from fractions to exact whole grams. And I even can't track those because it's too fast. It's just changing too rapidly. So what I will do is that I will put this back. I will start the fuck you. I will start this guy, do the 40 again, and I will. Alright. Alright. Let's say yeah, it was a bit early. Do 150 and that's it. Boom. Okay, I have missed the last one. So yeah, it's about fuck. So the first one was yeah, I missed the last one. That's shit. But the rest of it is pretty accurate. So the first one was 8.14, then 17. I mean, I'm going to screenshot it. Oopsie. I think it's this. Alright. Alright. The last one is dog shit. So I will have to. This is it. I don't know if I can. Yes. I think that's it for today. I think that's pretty good. I will turn this off. I will turn the guy off. Yes, I will forward the laptop, plug the guys off, turn off this. We'll have to refill the tanky bullshit. I will refill him, which is kind of interesting. It's like 9-ish grams for 25 fucking grams. Or 9 seconds for 25 grams. 9-10 seconds. I was not 100% that accurate with these, but it's still more accurate, I think, than the if I wanted to say it. Yeah, this is it, and that's not going to be. I mean, I probably fucked up one or two times, but I think it was a bit. I mean, I think it is a bit more accurate than the numbers, or in the doing the inverse, because that would have been just too how to say, just too slow of a reading. Just looking at it, my head is not like getting tired. So the last thing that I will do, that I have not moved the whole thing, is that what is the setting of the whole thing. Oopsie. So I will put this back. I will put this here. Okay. Unplug this. fold this. Okay, okay. One more thing before I tort everything here. Where is my meter here? All right. So the highest point of the fuel line is actually at, oh fuck me, it's 20, I think it's around 26, it's around 26, it's around 26 I think. So 260 millimeters for the mid height of the, or let's say, maybe I should go with the good old, oh fuck. Come on. Yeah. 260. 260 for the 260 millimeters for the middle of the flask. The suction side is at 15 millimeters. What did we measure? The fuel tank height is still 70. I think it's around 70. Yeah, the legs are 70, but the this is 75 I think. Yeah, I think 75. So the fuel level is 75 compared to the other things. All right, I think that's okay. Okay, we have these data. We had the temperature as well, which was 4.5 Celsius. I have this. I'm gonna take this apart. All right, all right, all right. Alright, put this back up here. Pocket. Yeah, I think that's it for today. So thanks for following along if you watch it back later on. So right. Yeah, this is here. It. Do that, right?
Nem ez volt.
De.
Ebből vittél be pár?